Hello everyone, Linda Israel here, and I have the question that's been given to me about cutting images out from Calico Collage or resizing them. Today I'm going to show you cutting them out using the Silhouette software. I have a Silhouette Cameo 3 and I'm using the Silhouette Studio file, which is Studio 3. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up one of the Calico Collage images that I want to cut out the shapes. Many times I can cut straight lines and I can cut circles with a circle punch, but I do not have an oval punch. And this is one of the new oval image sets from Calico Collage Simply Spring images. So all I've done is clicked File and Open and brought it in to my workspace here. The next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to choose the Trace setting, which is this green looking little shape that kind of looks like a butterfly. It says Open the Trace window. The next thing I'm going to do is click Select Trace Area, and then I'm going to go in here and just select these images, and I'll adjust this box to make sure that I get all of the images that I want to cut. The next thing I'm going to do is just bring up the high pass filter and the threshold just a little bit. My goal is to have a really dark line all the way around all the images. Now that I have that, I'm going to go over here and click on Trace Outer Edge. What this is going to do is make a red outline all the way around each of those. And if you click on the cut tool in the Silhouette software, you'll see the red lines. But we can't cut yet because we need to set the registration mark. So I'm going to open the registration mark window. I'm going to choose the Cameo, and it's going to place markers on the screen. Now these markers are a little bit low, so I'm going to go over here to the inset on the top, bottom, right, and left, and I'm going to change that to 0.3. And by doing that, it's going to put it on the maximum that's allowed, or smallest maximum, I guess you could say, allowed, which is 3.394. So I've got that set. I've got the registration marks. Next thing I'm going to do is hit print. I'm going to choose whatever printer I want. In this case, I am using a color laser printer, and I'm just printing on copy paper. So I'm just going to tell it to print. It'll take it a moment, and then it will print. The next thing I'll do is I'll attach it to the mat, and I will stick it in my Silhouette. I'm over at my Silhouette. Now I have printed the image on just copy paper to go into my Silhouette. I've already attached it to the mat. I'm just going to load it into my machine, and then I will tell the Silhouette software to cut. So what it's doing right now is it's looking for the registration marks on the page so it knows where to cut. And now it's going to cut all the little images out. When it has finished, I will go down to the bottom and I will lift and see if the image is cut. If it's not cut, then I'll tell it to cut again when I adjust my settings. Since it's cut, I'm just going to hit unload, and then I just look at this, how easy that is. It just peels right off. I just used my little pick tool, and now I have these great little oval images that I can use in my artwork, and you probably can't see that very well in this lighting, but I just wanted you to get the idea of it. I hope you enjoyed seeing that you can cut the Calico Collage images with a Silhouette. You can do it with a Cricut as well. It takes a few more steps. I like the Silhouette to do this particular job. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and of course, if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and comment below what kind of images do you like to cut on your Silhouette. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. Have a great day. Bye.